Okay, so I'm going to show you what it is that I'm asking you to do for the grammar check in your argumentative essay. You are going to highlight an example of a compound sentence, and you are going to highlight an example of the correct subject-verb agreement. Let's start with the compound sentence. This is just a random paper that I picked up. So here the sentence is, it starts with a single horn and another is added to the piece after each riff until all 5 musicians are playing. A compound sentence is a sentence that has 2 independent clauses or 2 independent thoughts. It starts with a single horn, could be a sentence by itself, and another is added to the piece after each riff until all 5 musicians are playing. Can also be a sentence by itself. And so, because the sentence fits the structure that I'm looking for, I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. This is an example of a compound sentence. Now to look for an example of correct subject-verb agreement. Here we go. Admittedly, I was very curious to know what Little Fugue sounded like with the original instrument. I am going to highlight this also. The subject of the sentence is I. So I'm going to bold that. And the verb is was. I'm going to bold that. I was. This is the correct subject-verb agreement because the subject is singular, I, and the verb is singular, was. If it was plural, then it would be we were. But again, as you can see, the subject and verb do agree. And you bold the subject and you put the verb in bold. And you highlight the entire sentence so that it'll be easier to find. And that is how you identify the compound sentence and the subject and verb agreement.